Hey boys and girls, welcome to Building a Bee Box with Lynne from Softsquares. We're in the container and you can see all sorts of stuff here. Here we go.
And Mr. Fix-It is our cameraman and the little elf that likes to help me. So
sometimes I like to help her because I'm always helpful.
You're very helpful. All right. 1, 2, 3. This is 4. This is 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Oh, we're going to get this pretty iridescent box. 10. 11. Be careful for 11. Don't drop it on your toes. 12. 13. 14. 15. I think we hit the pink area.
Yep.
16. 17. 18. I'll tell you about that in a minute. No, I can do this one. 18 is right here.
Yep.
19. There's 20.
20's over here.
20. Oh, that's right.
See, I'm being helpful.
You are. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24 and 25.
And the 2 extra.
And the 2 extra. So you get at least 2. You get these 2. And you get these 2. And you get paperwork and a mint. So Marlan's going to take over now and he's going to actually build the box. And you're going to see how he knows where everything goes, and he'll finish it with the paperwork.
Okay, so here we go, taping a bee box. We try to put most of the printing on the bottom of the box, but sometimes when you're building, you get a couple of them upside down. So if yours was upside down,
He did it.
I did not.
Yeah.
Somebody
did.
Okay, so there we go. We're ready to go, but before we do it, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial. So 19 goes on the bottom, 25 on top of it, 25 on top of that. Then 20 and 7 on the side, none on the other side. 11 over here, 24 over here, 3 over here, 2, 14, and 23 stack here. The 2 special things and the 13 stacked there. Then you've got 8, 12, and 22 stacked on top of the 25. Then you get 10 and 21 on top of those. 4 is folded, put on top of the 13. Then you got 6 and 17 and 16 stacked in there with 18 shoved in between. The foil bag is put in there. And then you got 15 and 1 on top with paperwork. So that's how it goes. Then we get tissue to go on top. And then we seal it up. So we're going to move a couple of things out of the way. Grab the 19, goes on the bottom. Reach down to the bottom, grab the 5 and pull it out. That sits on top. Then the 25 goes in. The 20 goes along this side along with the 7. And we do that to keep the 7, which is a plastic box, as best we can out of danger from being dropped or cracked. Number 9. And number 9 I'm going to open briefly to make sure.
Because sometimes, oh, that has one. I see it.
Okay, but it is trapped up in the lid. I'm doing it a little bit of a bend so that it won't be trapped up in the top.
So when you open your box, there's a chance you actually might not have a coupon in there. But if, just check in the lid.
Just check the lid. It's likely in the lid. The 24 goes here, the 11 goes here. And then I got to go to the bottom and get the 3, which is right over there with the 2. Here's the 3. That goes there. Now, I got to get the 2 and the 14 and the 23, and they stack in this corner here. Now the 2 extra items, if I could keep them in between the 24 and the 25, 13 sits on top of them because there's a little space for the 13 there. Now we move on to the 8, 22, and 12. Here's the 22 and 12. Where's the 8? Where's the 8? Here, 8 here. Did you get me an 8 in here?
I did.
You did. There it is. And there's the 8.
Yeah, most of them are pink, but that one is teal. You were looking for pink, probably.
Actually, the 8 is almost always teal.
Well, going forward, they're going to be pink.
No, that's
that's 17.
Yeah.
Oh, 8 is that one.
Yeah. They're almost
Yeah,
always
I was
teal.
thinking of the
Anyway,
Here
some
we
of
go.
them have different colors. Now, part of this, my OCD, and part of it is making sure we get everything. That was the 10 and the 21. Now the 4 goes in this space. We almost always get the stickers up so you can see them. Sometimes something goes in upside down. That's my fault. I
And
apologize.
we really did try to pack the boxes as well as we could, but also make it so it's kind of in numerical order. Starting
Somewhat.
with,
Yeah.
you have to dig to the bottom for 5 though, but
So 17 goes in, the 16 goes in, the 6 goes in. Now I'm going to slide the 18 in here, and then this one. Do they know what's in here?
yeah, they should.
Okay.
So feel
well,
free.
This is the cookie. We'll go in here.
So
now,
as soon as you get your box, rip into the box, go find that cookie.
now I will tell you, the cookies are frozen when they leave. Well, when they leave the freezer, they're frozen. And we put them in the box. Hopefully, by the time they get to the post office, they're still somewhat frozen.
And then we're, insulating it around all the other bags. So
Yeah,
it's
so
to keep them fresh.
we're trying.
They're double bagged, but anyway.
So here's the 15 on top and the 1 on top of that. So now we have just enough room for some
Paperwork.
paperwork and tissue on top. So we got the mints and the goodies there. We've got the 17 day 2 envelope.
Because we got
Part
excited and
two.
finished
Part 2.
We finished the 17 bags before that part was done. So please don't wait till the end of the box, but wait till after you've opened 17 to go open the envelope. It's the second
So
half.
there's a box. Now we need to get tissue.
I'll
which
go
we
get some tissue.
Failed to bring into the container. It's
I'll
in
go
the
get it.
garage.
This is our list of what goes in the box as we're putting it together. And Marlan's to this point right now. I'm getting tissue right there. I have tissue for you.
Thank you for the tissue. Now, I will say we build these, I build these in a specific order. You can tell I know what goes where. And that is designed to make sure that we don't forget something. If there's something missing in your box, it's a surefire bet that I did not pack your box. Somebody else was helping.
That is true. And 99% of them were done by Marlan. But
Yeah.
there have been some helpers.
And so now we roll the box and tape. And some of you will think, well, it's already taped up. Why is he keeping it to go? And we want to make sure it doesn't come open.
We've had problems with tape not liking boxes, and so we just make sure tape sticks to tape and those boxes stay shut.
So when I'm done here, the top and the bottom and the side all have 3 layers of packing tape. Next comes, now we're going to feel bad because some of the ladies that got them early did not get the pretty tape.
We didn't have that yet. I didn't have the thought yet, but next year.
Next year everybody's getting pretty tape.
And all orders going out right now have pretty tape too.
Yeah,
but
we are trying to repent.
we are sorry, those of you who got your boxes already. But these ones, the perk of ordering your box late is you get the cute tape on your box.
Yeah.
So you guys have probably figured this out, but we have kind of a plain Jane box. And that's because I put money into the items. So,
Plain Jane box. But
so we try to decorate it. So that's why there's little snowman stickers on them, which are really little. The outside the boxes were a little underwhelming this year, but now you put that on there. It's so cute. And look, it looks like a present now.
I try.
I think we need to get a ribbon, a big sticker that looks like a big bow to put on the top. And I'm going to see if I can figure out how to do those. That would be cute.
For next year? Mm-hmm. Okay, because for this year it would be hard to send it out.
It's done. We're not done. We're done. We're not.
Now, Miss Lynne's stickering process. We get a pink soft squares in the corner. We get a return address, even though there's a return address on the shipping label itself. But Miss Lynne wants to make sure that we have a double.
And that you guys can know from a distance that it's a soft squares box.
Now we get a couple of snowmen on the sides.
So these are our fancy decorations.
And then we get a couple of snowmen on the other sides. Now these are different snowmen, if you notice. I mean, we went so far as to buy
little
stickers
shiny
that have
ones.
different ones and shiny iridescent.
Yeah.
They're prettiful.
They are.
Then we get one more snowman up here. Again, a different snowman. Followed by the... Where's the open meat already?
Oh, I don't.
Here.
Oh, I don't have that one out here.
There's one more sticker that
Do you
goes
have their
here.
shipping label?
No, not yet.
Let's go get a label and we'll put that on at the same time.
Okay, here we are and ready to do shipping. So I've opened the order of the lucky person who ordered a B-Box last night. And I take their information, put it over in our shipping software here. And then magically tell us that it's a box B because we kind of preloaded that. And we put in the weight because the software's not smart enough to put in weight with the size. We put the insurance on it.
I didn't know that.
And now we calculate the rate. And this is the daily lottery of whether it's going to be UPS or USPS based on the cost to deliver. And in this case, UPS is the lucky winner. Ding, 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 ding. So now we're going to buy that and print it slowly.
This is the side view of where we do the live sale. So we put the computer up there.
There we have
We got a label.
Shipping label. So we'll put this on the box. We're going to go over to where the box is. Miss Lynne's walking backwards 2 more steps. And then there's a box you're going to trip over. So don't go too far.
I didn't.
She has a history of boxes.
And tripping over boxes.
And tripping. So, label goes on here.
So, congratulations
to this person who is getting a B-Box. Here we've put the label on, we've put the other label on, and obviously I got my fingers over the address because we don't want to share all that kind of information. But
it's on its way to you.
Somebody has got a lucky B-Box that was the victim of our filming. Okay.
Hi guys.
Oh, and you got it turned around.
Ah, dude.
That is magical. I don't know how to do that.
That's just the button.
Anyway. Oh, that's what that button is? Okay.
All right. Bye, guys. Thanks. Have fun. Thanks for joining us today.